Cheesy potatoes recipe with corn flakes. These cheesy potatoes with corn flakes are always a hit side dish. Also known as funeral potatoes, this classic family favorite is great for holidays and special occasions. Ingredients: 32-ounce bag of Southern-style hash browns, cubed potatoes, not shredded, thawed overnight in the fridge. 1 small yellow onion, diced. 5 cloves of garlic, minced. 5 tablespoons butter. 1 can cream of mushroom soup. 1 cup sour cream or plain Greek yogurt. 2 cups sharp cheddar cheese, freshly grated. Half a cup grated fresh Parmesan cheese. 3 cups corn flakes, crushed. 1 teaspoon salt. Instructions: 1. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees. 2. Add 2 tablespoons of butter to a medium-sized skillet and add the diced garlic and minced onion. 3. Cook over medium heat until the onion is soft, around 5 to 7 minutes. 4. In a large mixing bowl, add the onion-garlic mixture, thawed hash browns, cream of mushroom soup, sour cream, Parmesan, salt, and 1 cup of the fresh grated cheddar cheese. 5. Mix the filling well, then spread it out into a greased 9 by 13 baking dish. 6. Top the hash brown potatoes with the remaining 1 cup of cheddar cheese. 7. Measure 3 cups of corn flakes and place in a Ziploc bag. Crush them up with your hands. 8. Melt the remaining 3 tablespoons of butter and mix it in a bowl with the crushed corn flakes. 9. Spread the cornflake topping over the top of the casserole. 10. Bake the cheesy potatoes with corn flakes at 350 degrees for 50 to 60 minutes until bubbly and browned on top. Enjoy! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel.